An earthquake of magnitude 5.3 on the Richter scale hit Rajasthan's Bikaner on Wednesday, the National Center for Seismology said. According to the National Center for Seismology, tremors were felt at 5:24 am about 343 kilometers west-northwest of Bikaner at a depth of 110 kilometers. Earthquake of magnitude 5.3 occurred on the 21st of July 2021, 5:24 and 29 seconds IST, length 29.19 and long 70.05, depth 110 km, location 343 kilometers WNW of Bikaner, Rajasthan, India, said the National Center for Seismology in a tweet. Meanwhile, an earthquake of magnitude 3.6 on the Richter scale hit Leh on Wednesday morning, National Center for Seismology informed. The National Center for Seismology shares that the tremors of earthquakes were felt at 4:57 am on Wednesday. No damage was reported in Ladakh due to the low intensity of the quake. News Desk.